Welcome, family. Welcome, new family members. Today we're making homemade Chex Mix. Fun for parties. I used a Copycat. It's a Copycat recipe from Todd Wilbur. And I will put his website, link his website in the description box. So come join me. For this recipe, it only calls for 6 cups of a combination, a blend of corn Chex, wheat Chex, which I spaced it out and I did not get wheat Chex, pretzels, mini crackers, cheese flavored crackers, and you can add thin breadsticks, which I did not. So it's just a 6 cups, but I times 4 the recipe because this is for a lot of people. So then I put all that in there and I mixed it up. So next thing I do is, recipe calls for a 1/2 tablespoon of butter, which of course I increased the size of the recipe. 1 1/2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Or W sauce, I don't know. Am I saying it right? I don't know. 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce. And it said 1 1/4 teaspoon of white cheddar popcorn seasoning, which I did not have, but I did have white cheddar powder, so that's what I'm using. It'll just be less salt. And 1 teaspoon of MSG, which I'm not going to add that much to it. Flavor enhancement, I used Accent. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm going to mix that around. Give that a good mixy. I got the oven on 325. Now you can pour it into a Ziploc baggie and shake it all together, but I don't have you can't buy them. I'd have to use a lawn bag. Okay. All right, I'm just going to pour this in there and mix it all together. I want to make sure I get it all coated, so I'm going to use my hands. I want to get it all. This is always fun, right? This is a Copycat recipe for Chex Mix. That Todd Wilbur website is awesome. You have to become a member to get unlock some of the recipes, which is, this was one of them. but I have a lot of his books, and I've always been satisfied with his copycat recipes. I think he does have a YouTube channel too, so I would check him out. It's pretty amazing. Okay, next we're going to we're gonna put this on a pan. 2 pans, probably for me, maybe even more. Okay. Because it was only for 6, so I'm doing about 6 handfuls. I'll just do them in batches, you know. Okay, now these, we're going to bake these on 325 for, it says 6 minutes. So, stir the mix halfway through. So, I'm going to stir it at 3 minutes. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to give these a turn. Because you don't want them brown. You just... And try not to spill it all over the floor. But where's my dog when I need her? Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm going to let these cool before I put in another batch. Thank you for joining me today for homemade Chex Mix. Yummy. I'm going to taste it. Really good and not over salty. It's very, very good. I like it. So I appreciate all of my subscribers. I thank you so much for being part of my family. And like and share my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.